Dude, here I going to tell how to write any number into factors. Factors means any complex number you can write it as prime numbers. See here, this one is 24. 24 you can take it here and you can divide it. Since the last number is even, you can divide it by 2. 2 times of 12. Again 12 you can write it as 2 times of 6. 6 as 2 times of 3. Here all these are prime numbers. Writing components into these prime factors is known as factorizing. And take here 24 you can write 1 2 3. There are 3 times 2 repeated, so it is 2 cube times of 3. Again let's factorize this 12. 12 you can factorize, it is also even number, so you can write it as 2 times of 6. 6 as you can write it as 2 times of 3. So 12 you can write it as 2 times of 2 times of 3. There are 2 times 2 is there, so you write it as 2 square times of 3. And now let's factorize this 32. Here also it is also even number, so start by 2. 2 times of 16, and again 16 is even number, so write it as 2 times of 8. 8 is also even number, write it as 2 times of 4. 4 is again even, so write it as 2 times of 2. So you can write 32 as 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 2. Here totally 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times 2 is repeated, so you can write it as 2 power of 5. And let's factorize even more numbers. I going to tell about them. Now let's take one more number, which is 100. 100 you need to factorize as prime numbers. So let's take this 100, and since the last number is 0, it is even, so let's divide by 2. 2 times of 5 first 2 digits, then 0 remains. Again divide 2. 2 times of 2 is 4, and 1 going to remain, it becomes 10. 2 times of 5 is 10, so let's again divide this. 25 means 3 cannot divide. 3 times of 8 is 24. 3 times of 9 is 27, so 3 cannot divide this, so take the 5. 5 times of 5 is 25, so you can write 100 as equal to this one, 2 times of 2 times of 5 times of 5. Here 2 is repeated twice, so write it as 2 square, and 5 is also repeated twice, so write it as 5 square. So 100 can be written as equal to 2 square times of 5 square. And let's take one more number. Here let's factorize this thing, that is 54. And 54 you can factorize like this. 54 it is also even number, so write it as 2 times of 2 4. 1 remains, then it becomes 14. 2 times of 7 is 14. Now 2 cannot divide, it is odd number. Let's try by 3. 3 can divide it. 3 times of 9 is 27, so write it as 3 times of 9. Again 3 times of 3, so you can write 54 as equal to 2 times of 3 times of 3 times of 3. Here there are 3 times 3 is repeated, so you can write it as 2 times of 3 cube, that is equal to 54. Let's take one more final number. Here you can take, it is equal to this 45. And 45 let's factorize it. 45, 2 cannot divide it. Let's take the 3. If sum of them is equal to divisible by 9, then this complete number divisible by 3, complete number also divisible by 3. 4 plus 5 is 9. 3 times of 3 is 9, so it is divisible by 3. 3 1 times 3, 1 remains, so it becomes 15. 3 5 times is 15. Again 3 5 times going to become 15. And now you can write 45 as equal to 3 times of 3 times of 5. 3 times of 3, which is there are 2 times 3 repeated, so you can write it as 3 square times of 5. So it becomes like this. And you can factorize any number like this. And this factorization is the beginning step for LCM and HCFs. I going to explain in next video them. Bye.